Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Exciting news! PAWS token airdrop and listing nears. Here's how you can claim your $PAWS today. The countdown is on. With the PAWS token listing date just around the corner, it's time to get ready for some serious action in the crypto space. If you've been waiting to claim your $PAWS airdrop, now is the perfect moment. The PAWS airdrop checker is live on the Phantom wallet, making it super easy for eligible users to claim their share. Claim your $PAWS token on Phantom today. Claim window closes soon. Starting today, you can officially claim your $PAWS airdrop through Phantom, the popular Solana wallet. The claim window closes on March 15th, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity. The excitement is building as the PAWS listing date approaches, and investors are already eyeing PAWS for its trading potential. What's new? Airdrop checker now live on Phantom. The news is official. The PAWS airdrop checker has just gone live. You can check your eligibility and claim your PAWS tokens directly through the Phantom wallet. This comes just in time as the PAWS listing date draws near, and with it, the possibility for a great trading experience. How to claim your $PAWS on Phantom? Simple and fast. If you're ready to dive in and claim your $PAWS tokens, here's a quick and easy guide on how to get started with Phantom. Log into your Phantom wallet via the mobile app or browser extension. Click on the Swap option and select the token you want to trade, e.g. SL, USDT, or USDC. In the You Receive section, open the drop-down menu and paste the PAWS contract address. Select the PAWS token and finalize your swap order. Review your order carefully, making sure all details are correct. Agree to the terms, click Swap, and complete the transaction. Before you make any swaps, double-check your wallet balance and follow all necessary guidelines to ensure a smooth experience. Key dates to keep in mind: PAWS token claim and listing. Time is ticking. Here are the key dates you won't want to miss regarding $PAWS. March 11th, 2025. Exchange claims begin. March 15th, 2025. Last day to claim your PAWS tokens. March 17th, 2025, deposit opens on major exchanges. March 18th, 2025, the big day. PAWS officially lists on exchanges. In addition to this, PAWS pre-market trading on Bybit kicked off on March 7th, with the PAWS pre-market price hovering around $0.00051 and a 24-hour trading volume of 102,290 USDT. Binance listing speculations. What's next for PAWS? There's also big news from Binance. They've started a community vote to decide whether PAWS should be listed on the exchange. The vote is open from March 10th to March 15th, so get involved and cast your vote. If Binance decides to list PAWS, market experts believe we could see a surge in price. Analysts predict the PAWS token price might initially range from $0.0015 to $0.002, with a potential spike as the excitement builds. If PAWS continues to gain momentum, long-term forecasts suggest the price could soar to anywhere between 10 cents and $1. PAWS, the next big thing in crypto? With the PAWS airdrop checker live, the token claim date underway, and major exchange listings on the horizon, there's no doubt that PAWS is one to watch. Investors are buzzing with optimism, and the potential for $PAWS to explode in value is very real.